move it up a little bit. Just a little blurry. Yep. The smoke is still rising from the ruins of my heart. I walk through the ashes, I don't know where to start, but I've learned how to stand with grace under the strain. If it all crashes down, if it all crashes down, all crashes down, I'll rebuild again, brick by broken brick, from where I've been. We tend to build up walls when our faith's been betrayed, but I've become the building that the storms couldn't fade. I've been beaten and weathered, but still I remain. If it all crashes down, if it all crashes down, all crashes down, I'll rebuild again, brick by broken brick, from where I am. They say that the truth hurts, and they say that lies hurt too, but what doesn't hurt you, so what doesn't hurt you? They say that the truth hurts, and they say that lies hurt too, so it doesn't hurt you, so it doesn't hurt you. Well, there's somebody out there with their own battle scars, plasma to their dying hearts in the light of old stars. If I pass